Freelancing is 20% skilled work and 80% busy work. Emails, proposals, follow-ups, admin. Here are 5 AI workflows that do the 80% for you, so your day goes to the part that actually pays. The last one saved me 6 hours a week. Workflow 1, Inbox to Action, 1:15. Paste the morning's emails into ChatGPT. Sharp on-screen prompt, payoff, 30 min into 3 min. Workflow 2, Notes to Proposal, 1:15. Rough call notes to a proposal. Sharp prompt. Workflow 3, The Follow-Up Engine, 1:15. Sharp prompt. Workflow 4, Content from One Idea, 1:15. Sharp prompt. Workflow 5, The Weekly Reset, 1:15. Sharp prompt. Save 6 hours of admin thinking. Name the 5 fast. These run in the background of my week. Steal them. I post one AI shortcut for freelancers every morning, so subscribe so tomorrow's lands on your feed. The 5 prompts are in the free starter kit, link below.